How to turn off firewalls in Windows PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to turn off firewalls on and off for your domain, private and public networks in Windows 10 and 11. So let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what a firewall does. A firewall helps protect your computer from unauthorized access while allowing you to access the internet. It's essential to manage your firewall settings based on your network types. Click on the Start menu, and from the Start menu you need to go to your settings. Once in settings, you need to tap on Privacy and Security, and from there you need to tap on Windows Security. Then after that, you need to click on Firewall and Network Protection. Here, you will see the different network types: domain, private, and public. Let's go through how to turn on the firewall for each. Click on Domain Network and toggle the switch to turn it on or off. Next, you need to do the same thing for private network and then for the public network. Remember, turning off your firewall can expose your computer to security risk, especially on public networks. Always ensure you have adequate protections when making these changes. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips. Don't forget to connect with us, and I'll see you in the next video.